we have to move. Too much beer for the next few days, but a party will happen. It doesn't matter what the weatherman says. Yeah, it's time for a hurricane party. Me and my people and my favorite little shorty. Now it's time for a hurricane party. Yeah, it's time for a hurricane party. We're gonna go down, we'll get it started. Now it's time for a hurricane party. And if you ain't from the south, you have no clue what it's all about.